Hello everyone. Program a new key for 2012 Chrysler Town and Country. This vehicle has push button start. Key Piagram. Chrysler. Buy vehicle. Town and Country. 2012. Key and key fob. Add key. Turn ignition on. Remove the push button start button. Insert the new key and turn on the ignition. Do not start the engine. Keep turn ignition on. For the car with push to start version, remove the push to start button and insert new key to turn ignition on to program key, then program key fob. Insert new key to turn ignition on. Programming succeed. Engine started successfully. Unlock. Lock. Remote works normally. Push button start function programming incomplete. Now program the smart key. Add key fob. Turn ignition on. OK, continue. Programming succeed. Test again. Yes. Push button start successful.